Our enemy, the fat man next door.
Go, fat man!
Yeah.
I made a video. It's chicken dude versus fat man. Fat man loses.
Why do I always lose?
He's off. The chicken man is alive.
Oh! A new challenger for the chicken man.
Chicken man! Chicken man attack!
Aren't you going to go after your new challenger?
Behind you, chicken man!
You got two. You got two people to destroy, chicken man. That's so neat. Catch this.
Chicken man gonna own you.
Hey, it's 2-on-1.
But he's crazy.
I know Chicken Man is crazy. Why do you think his name is Chicken Man? Bears in this one.
Hey Jake, we're making Chicken Man the sequel.
Yeah. Jake.
Hey Jake. 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 We're making Chicken Man 2. Double Trouble. We're making Chicken Man the sequel. Double Trouble. Chicken Man whore.
I hurt this man.
What the frick?
Attack. Kung Fu Chicken.
We're going to have to wrap this up soon. I may be able to last 2 minutes, maybe.
The counterattack comes from behind.